welcome or welcome back to Four of Beauty. When will I be YouTube famous? I still don't know. What I do know is that I've actually been promising you this mini tutorial for quite a while now. And it involves two different types of tweezers. It involves eyelashes and it involves eyelash glue. And as you can pretty obviously tell, I am wearing false lashes. So, if you want to see how I apply my false lashes, you, my friend, are in exactly the right place. Because here comes the tutorial. I'm going to see if I can do this tutorial. As you can see, I've got one lash on. I have the other lash ready. I've got one of these type thingies to actually hold the lash. And you kind of, let's zoom you in a minute. You sort of have to hold it against your eye to make sure it's going to be the right length and doesn't need trimming. These might have needed a little bit of trimming, but I really wanted the vroom 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 at the edge there. So, this is the lash glue that I've been using, the Essence Lashes to Impress. I love this lash glue. My Wilkinson's has stopped stocking it, which I'm not very happy about. And you literally just run the glue along the lash band, putting extra on the ends just because I want to make sure they actually stay stuck. I will give you a close-up of this in just a minute. I'm just making sure I've got it properly coated all the way along. So, there you go, look, totally coated all the way along. Now, if you're putting lashes on somebody else, don't blow them. If you put them on yourself, do what you like. Love these lashes. I think I might have put this one a little bit too far over though. I think it needs to come that way a bit. You need to wait for the glue to get tacky, which this hasn't yet. So, these are just a set of. I got like 5 pairs for I think £2 from eBay. I've got more natural ones as well, like this. These are like the Ardell Demi Wispies. But when you wear those, you can't really see that I've got them on. So I thought if I'm going to do an actual demo of how to put them on, I better use a lash you can actually see properly. I'm going to get my little mirror so that hopefully I stay in there. I've also got, I find that these tweezers are easiest for putting the ends in, but I like this one because it holds the lash nice and firmly. And what you need to do is sort of put the middle bit of the lash down first. And then get hold of the ends. And just really gently pull them into place. Just make sure that the ends are really well stuck down. I tend to go along just with my nail and just make sure that it's actually touching my skin all the way along. And then I go in with these And I just really gently clamp my natural lashes to the false lashes all the way along. Now, I actually find it easier not to mascara my lashes before I put these on. That really does come down to personal preference. My lashes are really curly anyway, so I don't have to curl them first. If you've got very, very straight lashes, you might find curling them and putting mascara on is easier for you, but where mine curl up anyway, they kind of hold the lashes on while I'm gluing them into place. And then I get a mascara on a bristle brush and just really gently comb through my top lashes just to, and then using the very tip of the brush do my bottom lashes. Now obviously I haven't finished off under my eyes yet because I'm in the middle of doing a tutorial for this eye look. But hay fever, excuse me. It always makes me sniff when I put false lashes on. I think it's just a reaction to putting something that close to my eye, and my nose goes, I don't want to do this. But you can see what a dramatic look that gives. Now, I would normally reserve these for a night out, but it is Wednesday afternoon and we're going to go and meet my brother-in-law for a drink in a minute. So, yeah. It's actually Halloween the day that I'm recording this, so I think I'm going to fly in on my broomstick with these lashes. But, as you can see, it does give you a really, really nice finished effect. I know, I finished the video. Popped out for a couple of quick drinks in my bestie's pub with the brother-in-law and the hubster. It was only a couple of quick drinks, but we didn't get in until gone 10. And it's now midnight. So it is really time for me to take these lashes off. Just wanted to explain how I take them off and what I'm about to do now. Now, a lot of people say put makeup remover on and gently pull them off. I normally grab them from the outside edge and gently pull them off towards the nose. And then I get my Pokemon foam case. I stick them onto this with the remainder of the glue that's on there, and then I use a cotton bud or a Q-tip, depending where you're from, which I put makeup remover on, and I just clean the lash band. I then get a clean spoolie. You know, I've always got these knocking around, which I dip into micellar water and just brush through the lashes, because obviously I did brush mascara through them earlier. And that's pretty much all I really do with my lashes to look after them. And even cheap lashes, I get probably 20-25 wears out of them by looking after them like that. Even the ones that are on the clear band that I just peel off like that, even those I get 15-20 uses out of. So, yay. Okay, this makeup and these lashes have been on now for 10 hours. I need to take this makeup off my face. But, just to prove the point, let's just zoom you in really, really quickly. You can see these lashes are well and truly stuck. Just loosened that one actually, I might as well take it off now. Oh. But you could see that was still well and truly stuck on. Oh, it's so nice to take that off. I feel like I should do a rich luxe now with a finish the look off with a wafty eye. There you go. Wonky lash a la Rich Luxe. Right, okay, I need to clean the glue and the mascara off of this and put it back away in its little box so I can use it again. So, I hope that quick mini tutorial helped, really. If the lashes are a little bit too long for you in terms of you know, from the actual width of your eye, trim them from the outside, because I tend to go for ones that are tapered on the inside and then flare out, because for my eye shape that's actually the most flattering style. So if I'm going to trim them, I don't want to be trimming off the bits that are tapered in towards my nose. I want to trim off the bits that are at the edge. But hopefully you can. That's husband coming in. Hopefully you can see that it really isn't that difficult to put lashes on. It is literally just practice. Best advice I can give you, when you're taking all your makeup off at the end of the day, before you do that, practice putting a pair of lashes on. And the more you do it, the more you'll get used to it. I always do lashes with a wing, partly because I go for the blown out look and I like the way it elongates the eye, but also because then it does help to hide the lash band. Although these ones that I've got on now, you can see, are on a black lash band, whereas this set, which are like the Ardell Demi Wispies, are actually on a clear lash band. So you can get away with those without an eyeliner. I just find that if I'm going to do lashes, I'm going to want to finish the look off, and for me to finish the look off means liner. So there you go. There's my quick tutorial on how to apply lashes. Hope you found that helpful. If you did, it'd be awesome if you could hit that like button, comment, share, subscribe. When you subscribe, don't forget to ring my bell. Ring my bell and choose all notifications so that you don't miss out every time I upload another one of these videos. And talking another one of these videos, this was a really quick one. You've got time to watch another one. Why not have a look, not only on my playlist, but on the playlist of the Beauty YouTuber Growth Group, who are listed in my description box. Right, all that remains for me to say, as always, is you'll stay fabulous now, and I'll see you again next time. Bye for now.